Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your code on the EA application. So let's get started right away. First of all, double click on the EA application to open it up, or use your web browser and type in ea.com in the address bar and press enter. Now from the home page, if you haven't already logged into your account, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and you will find the sign in button. Just click on the sign in button and use your credentials and you will be logged into your account. After logging into your account, you will end up back into this home page. Now if you wish to use any redeem code for any game, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you will find the redeem code option. Go ahead and click on it and you can click on the redeem button to move forward with redeeming your game. Just enter the product code for your game and click on the next button. If you don't find the code, click on looking for the code option and you will find the instructions on getting your code. After entering your code, just click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your redeem code. After entering your redeem code, just click on the redeem button and your game code will immediately be redeemed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your game code on the EA application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.